All right. Elks Classic Car Show concludes. Let's catch the rollout. We'll start off with a brand, almost new, spanking Corvette here at the Elks Club. Look at this bona fide, real Mustang GT fastback. Right? Look at that. At a Whittier Ford. Good night, yeah. Get that heater going. Good thing for aluminum block motors. They warm up quick. Ah, here's an award winner right here. Style Master Chevrolet. Look at that. Congratulations. Be a moment to get these cars started up, get them warmed up a little bit, to put them in gear and go. A little chilly here in SoCal, Buena Park. Wintry night. Last Friday night of this decade. And the last generation T-Bird making its way out. Good night. Chevrolet pick 'em up truck. Just start it up and go. It heats up real quick. See you Tuesday. A Ford Ranger truck. Yeah. Here, what we got here? What do you got here? Oh yeah. Hello. Where you been all night? That's my favorite Chevelle right there, 64. Just like it came off the showroom floor at Cone Chevrolet in Fullerton. The C10 long bed. Look at that. Orange County got the reef. Good night. Look at that. Wins an award. Way to go, Don. Wow. That's the show. 2 hooligans winning an award. Wow, look at this, huh? Limit. Later, that's cool. We're gonna bring it down to donuts tomorrow. Bring it down to donut derelicts in the morning. All right, cool. Yeah. Look at that, a Challenger, got the top down. Yeah. A GMC long bed. Big hubs up front. I don't think it's a 4-wheel drive. Like a 10 lug. And look at this, huh? Chevy panel. Powered Vortex. Good night. Yeah. All right, yeah. Next decade. All right, see you next decade. All right. Whoa. That panel got some giddy up. Now you're probably gonna stop down the end of the block and put the top up, right?
Oh, we're gonna get my cream.
Yeah, all right. Look at that. That was nice. A 52 Ford Courier panel. Ah, man, that is nice. That's pretty. Wow, listen to that Woody cranking. Here, DanoLive, sweetest ride, right here. 70 Torino. Yeah. Chevrolet C10. Pick them up. Got a siren. Got a siren in it. Where did you get that accent, Dano? Yeah, the Dano van. Got new tags on her for the new year. Look at that. That wins an award again tonight. Yeah, 61 Chevy Impala bubble top. Aha, yeah, look at that. Mercury Montclair, okey pokey. Yeah. Oh yeah, 62 Bel Air, 409. She's still fine. He wins all the money in the raffle prize. Yeah. Good night. Good night. Yeah, Oldsmobile wagon. Yeah. Wow, look at this, huh? How about that? Yeah, that is so cool. That could have won giant anything. Look at that. That is. Mike. Mike wins a trophy with a car on it. All right, thanks, Mike. Volkswagen to Jeep. Look at that. What's an award too? The Challenger RT. Wow, that sounded good, huh? You hear that, Jeep powered by Volkswagen? That sounded real choice. All right. I don't think the Woody's going to start. It's taking a while to crank it. Let's see what else is coming. Another Mustang. Look at that. Yeah. Hey, good night. Pretty and orange. Krabby 67. There you got a little Toyota. There we got the 32. Good night. All bundled up. Didn't notice he had gloves on. I hope so. My fingers are cold just holding on to this phone. Having a Woody problem. I heard it trying to crank over. We're about done, I guess. I'm going to call it a night. Thanks for joining in here at the Elks Club. Elks Classic Car Show, hosted by the OC Car Guy, Gary Brown. Yours truly, DanoLive. Thanks for watching DanoVision. Good night. End it with a little bit of wood.